In this exercise, I'm going to create this part. It looks like this. We see that the width is 56, the length is 165, thickness here is 16, then the thickness here is 27, and this cylinder, the position of the cylinder is 75 from this side and 36 from the bottom up to the center. So I will begin with this bottom plate, and then I will add this cylinder, and then this piece here, and also this piece where it is 27, and the width of it is 12 millimeters. Then I will finally add this part. So I will move this back like so. Begin with an extrude shape. Go to IntelliShape level, right click this handle, go to edit size box, thickness or height 16, width is 56, and length is 165, like so. And then I will add the cylinder. I drag the cylinder and drop it on this side here, right click the IntelliShape, flip extrude direction, and I will grab this handle to snap to the other side. And the diameter of the cylinder is 50, so I will select that handle, type 50, turn on the tri-ball, so I will move it to the right position, 75 from this side, and then 36 from the bottom. Let's see now, right click, edit distance from the bottom, 36, like so. Then I will add more materials here, add another extrude shape, but first I will change the length of the cylinder. We see the length is 66. I will right click and drag, drop it there, type 66, like so. So there is 5 millimeters here, the distance here. See it there, like so. Then I will add another extrude shape to add more materials here. Extrude shape, drop it here, and I will snap it to the sides. Then I right click this handle to point, this point here, do the same here, like so. And then I will right click this height handle, snap it to the center point of the cylinder, like so. Then I will add this piece, grab another extrude shape, drop it on the center point. The length is 30 and 12 millimeters, the thickness. So I will right click and push, drop it there, type 30. Then I right click the IntelliShape, choose flip extrude direction, and I think it's 5 millimeters. The distance here is 5 millimeters as it is here. So I would right click this height handle, edit distance from this side, -5. Then I will grab this handle to move it up a bit. The thickness is 12. Select that handle, type 12 and hit enter, like so. Then I will add this rib, or this, so make it a little bit thicker here, 27. So I will add another extrude shape, drop it here, grab this handle to snap it to this side, and I will also snap it to this side here, and I will right click this height handle, edit distance from the bottom, that's 27, and the thickness is 12, do like this, and snap this handle to the this side, like so. Now I will add this piece here, so I will use a cylinder, drop it here on the center point. Then I will go to edit cross section, and to do that I will use Alt E to go directly to edit cross section. So now I select this circle here, and we see that this radius is 90 and the inner radius is 60. So this one I will type 90 and hit enter. Then I right click, come up here to select another circle, center radius, click here, drag out, and then right click and type 60. Then I need two circles to add these arcs. So I right click, come up here to select 2-point circle, click this on this point and that one, do the same here, like so, and press escape, right click, choose trim to trim the circles, and these two, press escape and then right click, click finish drawing, and I will grab this height handle, snap it to this side. The thickness of this piece is 17, so I will select this handle, type 17, like so. And then I extend this one, right click the handle to center point of this arc, like so. Then I will add a little bit more of the material here. I will select this face, grab this handle, drag it up a bit, and then I will right click, snap to this edge here, this point, like so. Now I can cut some holes. I will cut 4 holes here. So I will use a cut cylinder, drop it on the center point. The diameter is 12. It will go through the part. And use the tribal to add 3 more. I will move the tribal to the center point of the cylinder. Select this axis, right click and push. And I will link the holes 30 degrees. The angle is 30 degrees. And 3 more. Hit enter. Like so. And then I will cut a hole here. I use another cut cylinder, drop it on the center point. Diameter is 50 here. No, sorry, 25. See now, I will select that handle, 25, grab that handle, snap it to the other side, and then I will cut this hole, add this hole and the other one. So I will use a cut cylinder again, drop it here. The diameter is 16, like so, and then I will snap it to the bottom. Use the tribal to move it, 25 from this side and 25 from that side, so I will select this handle, right click, edit distance from this side, 25. Select that handle, right click, edit distance from this side, also 25. Then I move the camera to this side here. I will move the tribal, unlock it, right click the center handle, midpoint of this edge. So now I will copy this hole to the other side here. Right click the orientation handle, mirror, and copy, like so. Then I will add some fillets or blends. We have one here, also one here, R6. So I select the part, press S on the keyboard, select blend. I will type 6 and select the edges. This one as well. And I think I will add a blend here. I think it will look look a little bit nicer, and also up here. Hit enter, like so. So this is how you can create this type of holder or bracket when using Ironcad.